only it's been 2 weeks since we've had a chance to meet. Today is July 1st. So let me go to July 1st here on our Moodle. And you have the class description, as always, up here. So if you want to check what it was that I said, you can always check it in the class description. Now, I already have the Quizlet material for 9C, so that's the third set for Chapter 9. But I think this week we're not going to be doing Quizlet. Instead, I want to focus on being able to give you all the information that you need from the textbook and the grammar points that I want you to understand. So we're going to be doing a lot of speaking today. But don't forget, the homework answers from July 17th are there. This is the third homework for Chapter 9, so please make sure that you get that done before July 4th. You also have a couple of extra assignments. One of them is for your listening quiz for creativity. That will close up on July 9th, so please make sure you get that done. And this video is for your reflection exercise. But please watch the video. It's actually a very famous video in the English world. This talk by Amy Cuddy made her very famous. The topic is about how you stand. If you stand small, you feel small. If you stand big, you'll feel big, which is important if you're ever doing a presentation. But even if you're sitting, having a conversation, if you open up and you feel big to your partner, you'll feel stronger. If you keep your shoulders small, you're going to feel small. That's what she's talking about. So answer the question. What are the most important things you learned from this video? And that's for tonight. I want you to get that done tonight. The other assignments have their due dates already written. And I want you, if you have time, I'd like you to take this survey that I made for myself. This is an anonymous survey, so you don't have to leave your name. And there are only 2 questions. And, oh, that's right, I'm still in student. I'm not in student mode, so let me bring that over to student mode. And back to July 1st. Come here. So there are only 2 questions on this, and they're very simple. What did you like about this class, and what do you think needs to be improved? I'm not going to look at your names. I can't see your names. I just want to get the information from you about what you thought was good and what you thought I can do better. You don't have a due date for this. You don't have to do this, but I would like you, if you have time, to answer those questions. So let's go back to the first. So that cruise survey is up to you. You don't have to do it. But reflection exercise, the listening quiz, and the homework, yes, of course, you still have to do that. If you have any questions, you can always contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com, or you can come to this desk after the class is over and we can talk then. Okay? Thanks very much.